Baby, you're a queen in my eyes. Most beautiful thing I ever seen with my eyes. They only degrade you cause they ain't you, so they hate you. You're so graceful, and I'm grateful. There's nothing to consider. What's better than a soul
Hi
sister?
guys, welcome back to the ExoticATL channel with your girl Miss Chi. Today's video is the first of a series of videos that is going to be about natural skin remedies to help improve and brighten and tone that skin, baby. And this one is going to be about a natural deep cleansing skin remedy that is perfect for removing makeup and a bunch of crap out of your skin. And anybody can use it. Now, just a forewarner. When you start to use this remedy on a regular basis, at first you might notice more breakouts or more pimples or whatever you have it, and that's only because it's bringing all of the crap that's been stuck down in your pores and in your skin out to the surface. So it's going to appear that it might get worse before it gets better, just depending on how good you have been cleaning your skin over the years. Now, if you really haven't been cleaning your skin that good, it's definitely going to get worse before it gets better. But if you keep your skin pretty clean, then it'll actually just get better. So I just want to forewarn you on that. Also, you want to do this at night, and that's with any skin remedy. You want to do your cleaning and your moisturizing heavy at night, and then in the morning when you get up, you just basically splash your face. You're not supposed to wash your face and moisturizing in the morning and then go outside. Reason being because once you put that moisturizer on your face and you go outside, all the elements stick to your face, and we don't want that. Okay, so you want to do your deep cleansing and your heavy moisturizing and all that stuff, whatever you do, at night, and that gives it a time to soak in and not be contaminated by what's outside. So just keep that in mind. Okay, just a little side note about skin. A lot of times, a lot of breakouts, blemishes, rashes that you might have on your skin can be a direct result of what you're putting in your mouth, or what you need to put in your mouth. You know, if you don't drink enough water, you might need to start drinking more water. It could be that you eat too many sweets, too many fried foods, too much dairy. So in order to figure that out, you have to really pay attention to your body, and you have to, just think back. Okay, if you've always had skin issues ever since birth, okay, look at your mom and see what she eats a lot of or was eating a lot of when she was pregnant with you, and what you continue to eat. Then that could be the thing that's causing your skin breakouts. Also, like I said, it can be things that you need to incorporate in your diet. And just a rule of thought that I go by: if you cannot ingest it or eat it, don't put it on your skin. So all these chemicals and stuff that y'all are buying from the store, if you can't eat it, don't put it on your skin. Simple as that. So that's just a rule of thumb that I like to live by, and it's, works perfect for your girls. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, what you're going to need is a pot with a secure lid. You have to make sure you have a secure lid. Some apple cider vinegar with the mother. I use this one. The brand is Bragg's. You can find this at any grocery store. You can find this anywhere actually. And some water, either purified water, distilled water, spring water. Of course, this is my water that I get from the Indian Creek Springs, but you can use any type of purified water, distilled water, or spring water. That's perfectly fine. And a white towel. What you're going to do is, first we're going to add the apple cider vinegar. Now you want to shake it up, because you want to make sure you get that mother flowing, all up in there real good. All you need is a tad bit of vinegar. So we're going to use 3 capfuls of vinegar. So 1, 2, 3. And then 2 cups of your spring distilled or purified water. 1, 2. The great thing about this is it can be used for other things, which I'm going to show other videos of how you can use it. You can actually dip a white cloth in here and cleanse your face with it. You know, rub it on your face and cleanse your face with it. You can put this in a spray bottle and spray it in your hair, and it's great for getting your hair to grow. Not to mention, you can also drink this. It's good for cleansing out your blood. If you're having some type of kidney issues or bladder issues, it's good for cleansing out your bladder, cleansing out your kidneys. And also, it's a detox for your body. The good thing about this also, if you're stopped up or having sinus problems or anything like that, this is going to clear you up as well. This definitely has different uses, so if you make a lot, that's perfectly fine. If you want to put it in the refrigerator, preserve it, and use it for other things, you definitely can do that. Okay, we're going to turn this baby up on high heat and put the top over it, and we're going to bring it to a nice boil. So we're just going to let that boil.
I do appreciate you, never will negate you. It only hurts us when we act like we hate you. Not money, you make the world go round. No life without you around.
Okay, guys, now we got a good boil going on. Let me show you how you know it's ready. Y'all see it is boiling good. Really, really good. Okay, so once you get it boiling really, really well, so you take your towel and you put it over your head like so. And what we're going to do, we're going to take the top off of this, and then you're just going to put your towel over it and just let the steam come up and just cleanse your face. And you want to do this for about 10 minutes until you get a good sweat going on your face. You will know. Trust, you will know. So you got to catch all this steam in this towel over your face.
Can we show some love to the sisters? Let them know we love them, put nothing above them. People, if you're with me, then clap your hands. If you're with me, then clap your hands. Can we show some love to the sisters? Let them know we love them, put nothing above them. People, if you're with me, then...
Okay, after you've steamed your face for approximately 10 minutes or longer, it's totally up to you. You want to moisturize your face with whatever moisturizer you choose to use. I prefer using shea butter. However, I don't have any shea butter, so I'm going to use my coconut oil that I do have. Because my skin is from like normal to dry, I put it on heavy. That way in the morning, it's the right amount of saturation, and I just splash my face, clean my eyes, brush my teeth, and I'm good to go. Just gonna wipe it in. Now, if you have very oily skin, I would say to skip this and just go to bed. Don't put moisturizer on your face. You get finished steaming your face, you get you a white face cloth, put it in cold water, you know, saturate it with cold water, and just lay it over your face. Just pat your face and lay that cold white rag on your face. And after you do that, you'll feel your skin soothing. If you have extremely dry skin, you want to saturate your face with whatever moisturizer you use. And remember, only do this at night. Okay, so I don't have my contacts in, but I wanted to show you all the effect. I just put my coconut oil on. Also, I should have showed y'all how easy it is to get the eyelashes off. Especially, you know, if you're using eyelash glue or hair glue. This is an excellent way to get your eyelashes off without pulling out all of your lashes. I should have showed you. Killed 2 birds with 1 stone. And that is a deep cleansing, guaranteed to get makeup and dirt and all of those things out of your pores. So if you like this video, if you found this video informative in any type of way, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel below and share this with your friends, and see you on the next one.
Beautiful, you're a goddess. Baby, you're a queen, so no need to be modest. Cause there's nothing sexier than dark skin. Girl, I'm in love with your dark skin. Melody, woman, you're the best in every aspect of the word. It's absurd to think that you're anything short of amazing. To your amazement,